Good morning, all. Today we are going to see about the current trends and issues in nursing. What is the latest trend and the issues? What are the problems we are facing in nursing? We can see. First, coming to the introduction, coming to the definition of administration. Administration. What do you mean by administration? It is the activities of group cooperating to accomplish common goal. That is all the activities to achieve the common goal, the activities we are accomplishing. In other words, it is the organization of use of man and materials to accomplish the purpose, and administration is an essential factor in development of any service. Trends to denote general direction and tendency, especially of events of opinion. Then nursing trends refers to direction towards which the direct nursing event have moved or are moving, as well as the opinion in and around nursing that are found in and about nursing profession. Nursing trends means the refers, what it means, that is the which the different nursing event have moved or are moving, as well as the opinion in and around nursing that are found in and about nursing profession. Here we can say that is the presently the coming to the this pandemic, that is the corona comes, the nursing has a wide opportunity and giving the many countries, that is especially the western countries, are facing lack of nursing professionals. So nowadays we can see that is the UK is sponsoring that Indian nurses, that is they are giving that full examination charges, our transportation, everything they are affording and taking up. Like this, many professional trends are arising. Understood? Then issues, a point or matter of discussion, debate or dispute, or a matter of public concern. That's also many issues are also facing, that is that we should be come across in front of our public. Then there are different changes in profession. Many changes are there. First one is social change. Nursing profession serves to meet the need to the society, particularly the need related to health and well-being. The changes in society will influence to bring about changes in nursing profession. At present, efforts made by Government of India to deliver the healthcare to the community, especially in rural area. Then overall improvement in the education of people with ever-growing awareness about health and health need. Now women are more educated and take up jobs out of home to serve and earn. We should be serve and earn. Advancement of technology, automatization, industrialization, urbanization. After independence, government began to make serious effort to meet health need of nation by implementing recommendation of Boer Committee. This Boer Committee you may study in detail about in your community. Then changes in other profession. Medical profession is vastly changing profession, and the era of specialization and super specialization has come. That is the specialization we are specializing, that is MSc nursing in nursing field, that is MSc nursing we are specializing in medical surgical nursing, community health nursing, obstetrical and gynecological nursing, pediatric child health nursing, likewise. And after always we are then again we are going for taking PhD, then further studies, and also another that is the critical care nursing in medical, and is a nurse practitioners, nurse educators, likewise many fields are there. Then modern healthcare facility like ICU, ICCU, renal unit, organ transplant unit. Biomedical science have more advanced, resulting in newer diagnostic equipment such as scanner, new drugs, monitoring system in field of healthcare all over the world. Changes in nursing profession itself in the country. Trends to make up education leading to bachelor degree in nursing, master degree, as well as doctoral degree. Then trends related to tuition fee, example paid stipends, free hiring, accommodation, food and uniform, but service is expected from the nurse. That is the trends related to tuition fee. For example, in studying time also, if you are studying in this college, you are getting many stipends. That is, the scholarships are giving. Stipends are high, then giving accommodation, food unit. Likewise, many organization has taking some efforts to improve your health, improve your education, not health, education level. For that, and also after that, when you are working in the nursing field, that is in government sector, private sector also, many allowances are also you are getting. Trends related to changes in working condition for nurses. Changing takes place in other countries in nursing world. Fast growing trends to post basic degree programs. INC promote sharing of ideas and common interest between a member of national organization. Exchange of professional literature like international review, professional journals, articles, etc. Then current educational pattern in nursing. Current trends and issues in nursing. Reduction in distance through CD communication. There is a mobile video conference have made it possible for the nurses to reach patient. That is the telecommunication. That is we are seeing, that is abroad, that is doctors, that is the western countries or any other countries abroad doctors, we can meet at the fraction of second, and we can get the further treatment, or we will get a good treatment by observing us, and we are saying our symptoms, signs, all. Okay, that is the video conference. And nowadays with these online classes, or you all are familiar with these all methods. Doctor, other professional whenever need arise. Along with the verbal and non-verbal communication skill, nurses also need to gain competencies in using information and technology. Then computerization for patient care management. Easy reference and direction of patient care, record keeping, reporting, compilation of information, stock monitoring, auditing are some of the function which takes place. That's also nowadays, that is the case sheetless, no case sheet. With the advancement of technology, all case sheetless records are going on. Have taken over. Ability to use computers for patient care management have become essential qualification for nurses. Then quality assurance in nursing care. Public know their right. That is the giving public know. We are giving the public awareness. That is the main quality assurance in nursing. Then decentralized approach to care management. This make each and every nurse responsible and accountable for the care of assigned patient. Continuing nursing education. It has become essential to keep up with the changing needs of patient care. Nurses have to continuously update themselves with a new and innovative approach in patient care management. Evidence-based practice. For this, nurse should have scientific bent of mind and dynamic approach to patient care. Nurse-patient ratio. Adherence of nurse-patient ratio is necessary for providing health care. Conduct of nursing research. Having knowledge is essential for nursing profession. This is possible only through research and dissemination of research finding. Nursing audits. Audit is required to keep the activities on the right track. It builds knowledge for the profession. Higher education for senior positions in nursing. Nursing leader can guide and monitor the nursing team effectively. Independent nurse practitioners. And issues in nursing. Renewal of nursing registration. That is nowadays we are facing. That is every 5 years we should renew our nursing registration. Diploma versus degree in nursing for registration to practice nurse. Specialization in clinical area. Then nursing care standards. Issues in nursing education. Nursing in training school multiplied. Lack of independent building for school and college. Lack of independent principal for school and college. Inadequate hostel facility for the student. Then shortage of qualified teacher in nursing. Inadequate library facilities. Less supply of AV-aids. Less promotional opportunities for teachers for both school and college. Very less or no stipend for nursing students. In this, people are also facing many of this, and also away from that you are getting many other freedoms also. Okay, thank you. I think you understood about the trends and issues in nursing. Thank you.